music section. One sparkling night, beneath a canopy of shimmering stars, Luna the nightingale perched on her favorite branch. But this night felt different. There was an unusual silence. The stars no longer twinkled melodiously, leaving a deep ache in Luna's heart. What had happened to their songs? Determined, Luna hopped down. I can't let the stars go silent. I must help them find their voices. The weight of the stars' sadness pressed against her, urging her to act. As she flew from her branch, Luna met Benny the bear, thumping his big paws to a silent rhythm in the magical forest. "Can you hear that, Benny? The stars are mute," Luna exclaimed, her voice quivering. To her astonishment, Benny shuffled his enormous feet, producing powerful drum beats, yet the stars remained silent. "Perhaps they need more than rhythms. They need a song," he replied, his eyes sparkling with hope. Just then, a sharp whistle cut through the air. Mila the fox appeared, swaying to the rhythm. "What's happening?" she asked playfully. Luna explained her quest. Together, they decided to gather a musical troupe to revive the stars' faded light, igniting excitement among them. The trio of musicians soon encountered Frodo the frog, whose croaks had a rhythm enchanting enough to charm the raindrops from the sky. "I'll join," he croaked, hopping enthusiastically. That night, beneath the stars, they practiced, their sounds intertwining. But suddenly, the stars flickered ominously. "What if they don't want to hear us?" Luna voiced her fears, heart racing. "What if we fail?" Just then, a gust of wind swept through, carrying whispers of the stars. Chills ran down Luna's spine as she realized their silence held a wish. They longed for a spectacular performance to inspire their voices anew. With renewed courage, the animals formed a wild band, their hearts beating as one, ready to face their biggest challenge yet. The night of the big concert arrived, and the forest transformed into a grand stage glimmering with moonlight. Luna sang her heart out, her melodic voice soaring through enchanted meadows, while Benny thudded his drums, Mila whistled her joyous tune, and Frodo croaked harmoniously. The trees swayed to their rhythm, and the cool night air vibrated with the excited whispers of wildlife gathering to listen. Just as their final note echoed, the stars twinkled brightly and began to hum. What a magical crescendo! The constellations erupted into song, a chorus filled with gratitude, showering down shimmering stardust. Luna beamed, realizing how powerful unity and friendship were. The stars had found their voice through the wild concert of her newfound friends. With the sky now a canvas of melodious dreams, Luna looked around at her friends, filled with joy. Everyone can create beautiful music together. Let's never forget to share our talents. As the stars sang their gratitude, warmth wrapped around her. Would you join the next adventure with Luna? If you enjoyed this story, leave a like and subscribe for more musical adventures in the enchanting world of Luna and her friends.